Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to view my favorites on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, you have the spotlights, and the next one is stories, where you can check stories from your friends. We have the camera, where you can take snaps, and in the bottom left corner, the location and your chats on Snapchat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and view my favorites on Snapchat. So it is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So if you see something that you of course like and want to add in your favorites, tap the heart button to see some more similar content. So you can go to your spotlights or stories or wherever and just type on the right side of the screen, click on the heart option. Your favorites will only be visible to you, so nobody else will be able to see your favorites. You can view your favorites by going to your profile and tapping my favorites. And there you will see your whole favorites in only one place, which of course you want. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already said, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.